there. I just had to jump on here and talk about Vicci Eyewear's latest capsule drop. It is the Match Point collection and she is gorgeous. What a way to up your game. If you're looking for some courtside chic frames, this is definitely the one. Oh my gosh. So there are two different styles to choose from. We have the Milana or we have the Leah, and in each style comes 3 different colors. I'm gonna go ahead and grab the Milana. Isn't she pretty? Let me show you this. She is so pretty and she is so chic, and you can virtually try on the new Match Point collection. I love that. So you can see which style is for you, which color is for you. I love the fact that you can put these on and leave them all day. It's not just that old school reader that you have to put on and take off, put them on, take them off again. You can customize your prescription also. So what I have chosen to do in the frames, some of them are a reader and some of them I've chosen to have a progressive reader. Let's go to the next one. This one is the Leah. I'm in love with this color. She's a nude mocha. I like it because she's nude. I think she's beautiful. I love this color. It's gonna go great with every hair color, with all skin types, because it's very much of a neutral. They've all been made with that Italian acetate. So they have heft to them, they have weight to them, they're substantial, but they're not so heavy that they're going to leave an indentation on my nose. Nothing worse than that. Now I have chosen to do these, the Leah, in my reader strength. So the entire lens is a reader, and I can see you perfectly. I'm so excited. So whatever you choose to do, whether it's the progressive, maybe it's a reader, maybe you want to do a transition lens, which will be a light lens while you're inside, and then it transitions to a sunny, some sunglasses when you go outside. And that's the beauty of the Match Point collection. So they have thought about absolutely everything over at Vicci Eyewear. You are going to love them. Now these are limited edition frames. Once they're gone, they're completely gone. The mold will be broken. VicciEyewear.com, do a virtual try on, and let me know which ones you chose.